One of the most recent controversial news to hit social media, as I'm sure many of you have already heard about, is how Elon Musk decided to purchase Twitter on a whim and then decided to make many changes on the platform. One of these changes was to change the Twitter blue check standard. The blue check, or verification badge, was initially only provided to verified official accounts. When Elon Musk took over, however, this was instead turned into a paid subscription, allowing anyone who shelled out $8 to get their very own verification badge. Impulse Technologies, a startup based on the IOTA blockchain, has devised a blockchain-powered solution to Twitter's verification checkmark issues. Want to find out more? Stay tuned to the end of this video, and we'll find out if this solution would help fix the blue verification mark issue we're seeing now. Welcome to 6-0 Crypto, where you get your daily dose of knowledge for crypto. If you want to get the latest news on the cryptocurrency market, then smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Disclaimer: nothing in this video constitutes professional and/or financial advice. The sole objective of every piece of content on this channel is to promote discussion and sharing of information. Do your own independent research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any decisions based on the information provided. This video is not sponsored by IOTA. On the 16th of November, Impulse Technologies shared a tweet discussing their solution of Verifiable Corporate Digital Identities, or DID, which is their attempt to solve Twitter's blue verification badge issues. In a tweet on their official account, they said, "It's time to combat corporate impersonation. Let's fix phishing, fraud, and Twitter impersonation with a verifiable corporate digital identity." Read how that could have saved billions in stock value after Twitter Blue lost its trust. In the Medium post linked to the tweet, Chief Executive Officer Gilles Millinaire stated that the widespread fraud and impersonation that the $8 Twitter verification checkmarks places a spotlight on the need for verifiable corporate decentralized identifiers, or DID. In the same article, they stated the following: decentralized identities. The recently approved decentralized identifiers and verifiable credential standards by the World Wide Web Consortium, or W3C, offer a potential solution to this problem. These standards are most often applied to help people create their own digital identity and give them the ability to provide verifiable proof about different aspects of their identity. But these same standards may even work better for a verifiable digital identity for corporations. Let me give you an example of how much damage a fraudulent account could cause to a company. A recent controversial tweet caused a company to lose billions. On the 10th of November, after the paid blue check service was implemented, a verified user changed their account to impersonate Eli Lilly and Company, an American pharmaceutical company that charges users for insulin. Eli Lilly and Company lost billions when the fake Eli Lilly and Company tweeted that insulin from now on will be free. Insulin sales were a major source of revenue for the company, and after the fake account's tweet gained traction, sales dropped greatly. As a way to combat this, Impulse proposed the following: On the shared Medium post, they said, "Decentralized identities. The recently approved decentralized identifiers and verifiable credential standards by the World Wide Web Consortium offer a potential solution to this problem. A digital identity for organizations allows them to create a profile that is published on a distributed ledger technology, or DLT, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or IOTA. Through a simple cryptographic operation, only the owner of the profile can prove they control it." They reiterated on the article, "But owning a random identity and being able to prove that you control it doesn't on its own create any trust. The trust is grown as the identity starts to gather and present evidence about who they are and what they are linked to." In response to this is their next solution: building a trusted corporate identity. Through a very basic process, any program can quickly validate that both the digital profile points to a domain and that the domain links to the same digital profile. Creating a bidirectional link that can only be achieved if the same entity controls both the identity and the website. This process will not only apply to Twitter, but can also be implemented across all social media platforms to ensure authenticity and the legitimacy of each company. In order for fake accounts to impersonate a company, they'll need to create social media accounts imitating those of the company, as well as to purchase their own domain to somehow show if they're a legitimate company or not. The article states that companies could be validated by their government company registries, such as the Company House. They could acquire and present ISO certifications they have acquired, and they can be validated by their B2B customers or partner organizations. Anything that could be used as evidence can be presented in this format. Do you think these solutions could help solve or at least minimize the troll accounts trying to deceive or impersonate other official accounts of individuals or businesses? Leave your thoughts below. We'd love to hear what you think. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and ring the notification bell to stay updated whenever we post a new video. Thanks for sticking around, and we hope to see you in the next video. This has been 60 Crypto.